Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how we can remove the page number just from the first page of the Word document, maybe because it's a cover page. So let's see how we can number these. First, let's number all of the pages and then I'll show you how you can just remove the first number which is on the first page in Word document. So let's insert this. First of all, to insert the page numbers, I need to go to this insert tab right here at the top, and from here just go to the page number settings right here, and we want to insert the page number from the bottom of the page. Let's select this and let's go to this option where it says the plain page number on the right hand side. I want to insert this one. As we can see that the numbers is inserted in all of the pages, and this one is the first page, so I need to remove it only from the footer of the first page and not on the other pages. Now you will notice that as soon as we insert the page numbers, it automatically shows a new tab which is header and footer. So for that, just select the first page and it will automatically select the number here, and you need to just tick on different first page. What this will do is you will notice that on the first page there is no page number whatsoever, but on the second page it start numbering from the 2 number series. So that's the power of it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on the Word tutorials, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.